How to log out of Crunchyroll app. If you would like to log out of your Crunchyroll app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Crunchyroll application right here. And currently you can see that as in when I open my Crunchyroll app, I am currently signed into one of my account. So what if I want to go ahead and then basically sign out of my account? So to sign out of my Crunchyroll account, maybe because I want to sign into another account or whatever, just tap on the account option located at the bottom right corner. You'll come to your profile page right here, where all you have to do is scroll a bit further below, and there you'll find the option that says log out. So all you have to do now is to just tap on the log out button there, and as you can see, I have been successfully logged out of my Crunchyroll account. Now if I want to, I can tap on login and log into another account that I might have. So this way I will be able to go ahead and then log out of Crunchyroll app. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.